Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. Truth is, I'm tired. I just moved, which is why we're in this very temporary setup. Pretend it's a tree and some candles right there. Anyway, I am getting ready to start a new series on the channel, and I need y'all help with coming up with the title, but we'll get to that in a minute. So, one of the City Gang members hit me up on Instagram, and she said, Faye, what is your favorite product combination? Meaning the things you would buy if it was the last products on earth. And here's the thing I'm going to say to you, and you may not like it, but it is the truth that I'm going to shoot to you, and that is, I don't have one. Wait, listen, Linda. The reason I can't flat out say this is what I go to for wash and goes, this is what I go to for twist outs, is because I use different products to get different results. This wash and go, I wanted something softer that I can get a lot of volume with. Sometimes I want something real crispy, like a nasty wash and go that's just like ironclad that I know gonna last longer than 7 days. I use different things to get different results. And so in this particular series, I'm going to show you my go-to combinations when I know it's gonna kill the game consistently and I'm gonna get the results that I want. So if you are interested in seeing what I use to get this particular wash and go, also talking about some body care products, because you know, since I was in the shower, I might as well take one, because again, just moved and tired and funky. Keep on watching. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Hey child. And welcome to my trap house, aka my bathroom. Me and Shantae welcome you into the premises. If y'all don't know who Shantae is, baby, that's my hair. So right here, I'm rinsing out my pre-poo. Instead of my usual pre-poo, which is the Just For Me curl piece, I am using Olaplex. Y'all know I just recently dyed my hair black, and Olaplex just keeps me together. I'm gonna talk more about that once I do a dedicated video. But anyway, I have Olaplex 0 and 3 in my hair, and I'm rinsing it out thoroughly so we can get this wash day started. And here's my shampoo of choice, which is the Melanin Hair Care Black Soap Shampoo. Now, the reason I use that is because y'all know I just had my hair straightened, right? And what do they use when they straighten your hair? Silicones. And so I wanted something that I knew would get all of that out really well. And I start on my scalp, but I'm not one of those, oh, just wash your scalp and it'll rinse down to your strands. No, Linda, we're gonna wash the whole head. And for my second cleanse, I always go in with a more gentle shampoo, either a lighter shampoo or I'll do a co-wash. And in this case, I use the Trey Luxe shampoo. It is a really gentle cleanser. It gets me clean, but it doesn't strip everything away. And like I said, we don't focus on just the scalp. Honey, we going down them strands too. Conditioner, baby. This double cream deep quencher, top 2, and it ain't number 2. I am obsessed with this stuff. Anytime somebody asks for a conditioner recommendation, I'm always gonna say that. So what I do is dip my hair under the water to make sure my hair is soaking wet when I apply it, because it does apply better on soaking wet hair. And I rub it in really well just to make sure every single strand gets coated. So I rake it through, and then I'm gonna go ahead and twist that thing up, twirl it up, put it away just to make sure it's out the way. Bars. And then I apply it to the rest of my hair. So I dip it under the water, like I said, make sure it's thoroughly wet, because honey, this conditioner too expensive to be wasting, honey. We need the best out of it. So after my hair is soaking wet, I apply my conditioner and I do the raking method just to make sure all the strands are coated. And then I'm gonna go ahead and twist it up and get that hair out the way and move on to the next patch. Okay, so once it's completely applied, I throw Shantae under a cap and take a shower and let the steam open up my cuticles. So this is my body wash of choice. Necessaire is amazing, good clean ingredients. The lather is a little light. I wish it had a little bit more bubbles, but overall I love this soap, so much so that I keep buying it. So let me tell you this, I don't care what them nasty people on Twitter say, we wash our legs in this African-American household. So anyway, after my legs are clean, I clean my honey pot with the honey pot. Now y'all know, of course, this is YouTube, so use your imagination. I ain't showing you that. Cut the cameras. Anywho, now it is time to shave. Stop the press. Honey, listen, mother got a new crib, mother gotta pay the rent. Thank you to my friends at Harry's for sponsoring this portion of today's video, because y'all know what sponsorships I get.
Donations, gifts.
So I've been using Harry's at least a good 6 months or so. They contacted me like right after my surgery, which has almost been a year now. And literally it's been the only razor I have used since then. Now I'm gonna tell you something, my raising history is like, you get your little dollar razor and have them nicks and cuts and stuff like that. So when I tried this for the first time, it changed my life. So this is what comes in the actual shaving kit that I got. It has a really nice razor with a very durable handle. And then it has a blade cover and then the creamy foam. Let me show you about this foam, honey. bam, get into it. Just smooth and creamy, just smooth like lotion, honey. I love the fact that I get the opportunity to have a really smooth, really clean shave, and the price is extremely affordable. And that's something that's very important to Harry's. They want to have everyone have access to amazing quality performing razors without a ridiculous high price. Now, 2 more things to note before we get out of here. Number 1, Harry's donates 1% of their global sales to mental health care services for veterans, and they also donate to support LGBTQ plus youth in need. Last thing, they so solid and so secure in their packaging and their product that they guarantee you money back if you're not satisfied. So that's a good thing to keep in mind. So last thing, I showed you all the trial set, but they do also have gift sets available for starting around $15 per gift set. So the one that I do have is called the Winston gift set. Inside of it, you do get the shaving gel. You also get the blades, but what you can do is customize it by getting it engraved if you want. So on this one, if you look real close, it says JYM. And what does that stand for? Judge Your Mama. So with that being said, child, they gonna be so sick of me. So with that being said, y'all have heard all the tea about Harry's and everything. Go ahead and redeem your trial set offer for just $3, or get $5 off the shaving kit of your choice by going to harrys.com/Faye, and go ahead and get your groove back, get the body together, get that hair on good and shaved and clean. So thank you, Harry's, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let's go ahead and get this hair finished or whatever. Yes. All right, back to this wash day. So I'm rinsing out my conditioner, and I'm telling you that conditioner is top 2 and it ain't number 2. So after I rinse it out thoroughly, I got to go back to my baby daddy, and y'all know what it is. Untie the knot from Trey Lux. That is my favorite leave-in ever, and it works best on soaking wet hair. So I dip my hair under the water, put on my good untie the knot, and I rake it in. I promise y'all, I am obsessed with that leave-in. So then I seal, but this is not the same thing as a raw oil. This is Olaplex number 7. It's their binding oil. It's not just like a pure raw oil, like raw coconut oil or nothing like that. It's an oil with other ingredients and Olaplex technology to keep this good old hair healthy, honey. So I work that in, make sure every strand is coated, and then I twist it up and I tuck it away. Okay, so now I'm just repeating the cycle on all the other sections. I wet it real good, put on some untie the knot, make sure every single strand gets coated. You know, we be generous. And then I put on the Olaplex binding oil because it just helps to keep my hair healthy, and that's going to be the thing that helps my hair to stay fluffy instead of getting super hard. So now I'm going to the styler, which is for me Uncle Funky's daughter. It is just that girl. So on soaking wet hair, I work in the Uncle Funky's daughter, and I rake it in on all the strands. And then to give it some more hold, my other baby daddy came to play, and that is Wet Line Extreme Gel. Y'all know how I get down. So usually I do the raking method, and it works for me, but sometimes I do like to go ahead and shingle too. So this is how I'm applying it again. I wet my hair, put on some Uncle Funky's, rake that in really good. Then I'm gonna give me some Wet Line Extreme Gel because that's gonna give me that hold, that pop, that crunch, all that other good stuff. And then I put it on top of the Uncle Funky's just to help reinforce what it does. And then I like to shingle, especially in the front. The front of my hair is just insubordinate and do what it wanna do. So I shingle in that entire section, and then once my hair is completely set, I'm gonna get under a hooded dryer just to let all these products do what they're supposed to do. This is what it looks like once it's completely applied. But yeah, from here I'm getting under the hooded dryer, and then once I'm done, I'm done. So as far as body care, I'm gonna put on the necessary lotion just to moisturize my skin, and the Yaya Shea frosting to seal it. Mwah! And there you have it. When I want something that has a little bit of hold but a lot of softness and a lot of curl definition but that volume, that is my go-to combination, and I get the same results every single time. So if you look real good, honey, just hold on. I ain't even gotta see. You see this right here, right? Wait, hold on. You see her, you see me, hi hater. But anyway, my curls do have a lot of definition, a little bit more frizz, but that's because I did a lot of picking to get the volume, but there was a softness to it that made this volume possible. So that is my go-to combination. And the next wash and go that y'all will see from me is what I use when I want something that is just gonna have my curls like popping. Like, we ain't even worried about too much volume, we trying to get that definition going. So again, honey, I'm so tired I can barely get these words out. But anyway, again, I'm looking for a very creative name to this particular series. So if y'all can drop some suggestions in the comments, where we gonna talk about what my favorite combinations is, or honey, child, let me wrap this video up. Drop some names or something in the comment section. I'll cash out the person that I like the most. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. We love you long time. My Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye. Me and my little curly girl. Honey, she's so cute. Look at her. It's so cute. Like little mother.